Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. My name is Shahnaz Jannat and today I will talk about human sperm. Today I will teach you how can you draw human sperm. Okay, so we know it is a microscopic structure covered by a plasma membrane and it has four main parts: head, neck, middle piece and tail. Let's begin with head. So this is head of the sperm, then neck, after neck then this is middle piece, then finally this is tail. This is tail. So head, neck, middle piece and tail. Now head consists of two important components. One cap-like structure present here and this is called acrosome. Acrosome contains enzymes. Then after acrosome, here another structure present and this is nucleus. And nucleus contains genetic materials. This is nucleus. This is an elongated haploid nucleus. So this is nucleus. So this is head. Head consists of acrosome and nucleus. Then this is neck. Now below nucleus here another structure present and this is proximal centriole and here another centriole present and this is this is proximal centriole and this is distal centriole, and from distal centriole this is the origin of axial filaments. These are axial filaments. Axial filaments make tail of the sperm, and axial filaments arrange in they are present in 9 plus 2 arrangement. Okay, like if I cut axial filaments here, then this is axial filaments. These are present 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and here 1 2. So these are present 9 plus 2 arrangement. Okay, so then this is middle piece. Middle piece are filled with numerous mitochondria. Like this. These mitochondria present spirally. So these mitochondria produce energy so that sperm can move. Okay, so these are mitochondria. Now upper part of this sperm, this acrosome and upper half of nucleus covered by one membrane or sheath, this is called glia. Then lower part of the nucleus and then neck, then middle piece covered by another sheath of membrane called manchete. Okay, so this is how you can make a human sperm. This is head, consists of acrosome and nucleus, then neck. This is proximal centriole, this is distal centriole, then middle piece filled with numerous mitochondria, and this is tail made by axial filaments. So this is the diagram of human sperm. If you want to know details about every part, then I already made another video, structure of a human sperm. You can watch that video. You will find that link in description below. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.